Let's go!
Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you our little house. Come on. This is our living room where our family stays together. And now, this is our bedroom where we sleep together. This is the bathroom where we take a bath. And now, this is our prayer room where me and my family pray every day. Now, I'm gonna show you our playroom where my sister and brother and me play most of the time. Oh, there's my sister. Now let's go to the playroom. There's my brother. This is the kitchen, my favorite part of the house. Come on, let's go upstairs. Let's eat, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless and peace be with you. Bye, guys.